Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Sunday we have no newspaper, and I've decided to continue with the Saturday edition. Saturday, February the 5th, 2022. We have 3 puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. Yes. So first, I will solve this letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. Still having problems with my voice. 4086. Yes, 4086. Before I start, I always count the printed letters. Those are letters, not digits. 27 letters. Well, usually for 27 printed digits, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, with the letter Sudoku, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve this letter Sudoku. Because every time the letters are different. We have 9 letters to use. Those letters are the I, the R, the C, the E, the W, the V, the O, the H, and the T. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, 5 missing numbers. Letters. One of the missing letters is an O. We see an O in this big square, so no O in these 3 boxes. So the O could be here or there. We see there no O there. O should be here. Then Then. How about the V in the last row, the V in the row above? So in that row, the only 3 places left for the V should be here, here, or there. We see there V, no V there. Here V, no V there. The only place left for the V should be there. Okay. All right. Then. V in this row, V in the third row. So on the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there, V should be there. Then. E in the third row, E in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the E should be there. V in this column, V in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the V should be there. V in this row, V in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there, V should be here. Then, V, yes, and all the V's are used, I can see. Letter number 1, letter V. Then, T, yes. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a T. We see here T in this column, so no T in these 2 boxes. We have, that means that in this big square, we need a T in one of these 3 boxes. It's a T. T in one of those three boxes in this column, T in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there, T should be there. C in this row, C in the last row, so the row between the only two places left for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there, C should be here. Alright, C, C, C. Then. Thinking, I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah. I see V. Well, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We have an I in this column. So no I in these three boxes. So the I could be here, could be there. I in this column, I in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the I should be there. O-W. And the H. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the O is missing, the W is missing, and the H is missing. Well, we see here an H and a W in this row, so no H and a W in this box. The W and the H should be in those two boxes as a pair. H and a W, H and a W. We see here an H, so no H there. H should be here and a W goes there. So one digit left, one letter left in this big square for the letter O. O in this column, O in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the O should be there. Yeah, H in this column, H in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the H should be here. Or there we see here an H, no H there, H should be here. One letter missing in this column, the middle column. This letter is a W, yes, W. So now we have one box left in this big square. The missing letter here is an R. The R is missing. In this row, in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the R should be there. Two missing letters now in this column. The I is missing and the R is missing. I and R. Okay. Do we have all the O's? No. Oh. Need to wait. W. H. W. C. And the T is missing. All right. E, yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers, letters. One of the missing letters is an E. We see here an E in this row, so no E in these 3 boxes here, an E in this column, so no E in those 3 boxes. So the E could be here, could be there. So we have an E in one of those 2 boxes in this row, E in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there, E should be here. So now we have 2 missing letters. Those missing letters are the W is missing and the T is missing. Yeah, need to wait. Okay. 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an H. We have an H in this column, so no H in these 3 boxes. And an H in this row, so no H in those 3 boxes. So the H could be here, could be there. Okay. H. Alright. E in the first column, E in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. See, we see here an E, no E there. E should be here. E. C. R. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an R. We see here an R in the first column. No R in these 2 boxes. Here an R in this row. No R in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the R. Should be there. R in this row. R in the last row. So in the row between the only place left for the R. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for the letter. I is missing here. Yeah, the I is missing. Okay. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We see an I in the first row, so no I in these 2 boxes. Here an I in the first column, so no I in that box. So 1 box left for the I in this big square should be there. Okay. C. W. C and T. Okay, TT. No, O in this column. O in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the O should be there. T, yes, T in this row, T in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the T should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter. The H is missing, yes, H. We have H in this row. H in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the H should be here, or there. We see there an H, no H there. Here an H, no H there. The only place left for the H should be here. Okay. In this column, in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the R should be there. Now we have an R here, so this box can be R anymore. That box should be an R. And this box should be an I. Okay. 1 box left in this second column for the letter W. Yeah, W is missing here. W is missing. So now we have 2 missing letters in this big square. The letters T is missing. And the C is missing. T and C. Let me see T and C. No, I cannot fill this yet. T and the C. TC. How about those two missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the W and the T. W and T. Let me mark those. Alright. Okay, how about those two missing letters? W is missing here. And the T. We have a T in this column, so no T there. T should be here. And the W goes there. So now we have a T there, so this box can be T anymore. That box should be a T, and this box should be a C. One box left in the first column for the W. Yeah, W is missing. Now we have a W there, so this box can be W. This box should be the W then. And that box should be a T. Okay. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. I is missing and C is missing. I and C. I see. Two missing letters in the last row for the letters. O is missing and the E is missing. O and the E. O and the E. We have an O there, no O there. O should be here and the E goes there. Now we have an E there. I've marked those two boxes with the E. So this box can't be E anymore. That box should be an E. Okay. We have R in this row, R in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there, R should be there. And one box left in this column for the letter I. Yes, now we have solved this word. In Dutch, it's overwicht. And in English, I think it's ascendancy. Ascendancy. Yeah, ascendancy. Difficult word. Anyway, let me continue to missing letters in the first row for the letters C and the R we have here. C and the H, C and the H, C and the H. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters W and the T. Do we have a W and a T? No. W and a T, W and a T. Here we have IC, two letters missing, IC. We have an I here in this big square, so this box can be an I. That box should be an I, and this box should be a C. Now we have a C there, so this box can be C anymore. That box should be a C, and this box should be an H. Now we have an H here. I've marked those two boxes with the H. This box can be H anymore. That box should be an H. And this box should be a T. Yeah, in this big square, the T is missing. W and a T. We have a T there, so no T there. T should be here. And the W goes here. And the final two letters in this big square for the W. And the I is missing. W and I. We have a W here, no W there. W goes here, and I, it goes there. I. Yes. Completed in 19 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 90 minutes. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. The 2-star Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. Alright. See you then. Bye-bye for now.